Should you talk to the police after a car accident? Hi, my name is Nedim Ramic and I'm a car accident lawyer here in the St. Louis area. And one of the questions that I do get occasionally from clients is whether or not I am supposed to talk to the police after a car accident. I always advise clients when it comes to the car accident, even if it's a minor one, do contact the police, have them come out and do their investigation. Sooner or later, we will all be involved in a car accident. I have been, you may have been. And then the question is, what do I answer? What do I need to disclose to the police when they arrive at the scene? The law really doesn't require you to answer any and all questions that they may ask. However, the law does require you to provide your license, registration, and insurance information at the scene. Whatever you decide to do, one piece of advice I'm going to give you is just be nice. Don't be don't be rude, because it's not going to get you anywhere with the police officer. So the wisdom of talking to the police depends on the situation. Obviously, if you know you have been drinking, you may elect not to talk to police at the scene of an accident. On the other hand, if you're involved in a rear-end collision where you're the front vehicle and there's really no dangers in talking to the police, and obviously you have not been drinking, my piece of advice would be, tell the officers what happened, who you are, and how the accident occurred. Some states have got implied consent laws that if the officer suspects that you've been drinking, they can require you to submit to a breathalyzer, and they may even draw your blood. So as I said, in some circumstances it really doesn't matter. If you've been rear-ended, always call the police, tell them what happened, and give them all the facts, give them everything that you know. One of the issues that I've got is when talking to the police, people sometimes say inadvertently things that they probably shouldn't, and later on the insurance company tries to use that against our clients. So silent path is not always well received by the police officers, so they may be a bit aggravated if you do refuse to answer their questions. However, if you do it in a polite way, they may just go along with it. So, again, if you do decide to answer some questions, be mindful of what you say, keep it short, let the officer know the facts, don't insert any, yep, my fault, or any of those things, yep, I read a red light, or along those lines. Let them decide that, give them the facts as you know them, and let the police officers, draw their own conclusions. So while you do not have to talk to the police officer at the scene, you do have to provide them with the necessary information, as I mentioned, and then the rest is up to you and will obviously depend on the facts and circumstances of each collision. If you have any other questions, call me at 314-352-6800. Thank you.